Many people enjoy having a website floating on their screen while playing a video game on the PC. SteamOS does not have this feature built into the operating system, but a new free plugin from Decky Loader does allow it. This will require you to have Decky Loader installed on your Steam Deck, so if you haven't set that up yet, then you'll need to do this before you can install the picture-in-picture plugin. If you're not familiar with Decky Loader, then that's perfectly understandable. I actually have a dedicated guide here on the channel that can walk you through how to set up Decky Loader. So go and check out that guide and then come back here when you're ready to install the plugin. Once you have Decky Loader installed, we're then going to press this 3-dot ellipsis button down here on the right side of the Steam Deck, and then you're going to scroll through these list of menus all the way down until you find the Decky Loader plugin. From here, you can tap on or select the little store icon right here. And then we're going to do a simple search for the word picture. That should filter out most of the other plugins that are available, making it easy to find this picture-in-picture plugin. Simply tap on the install button that you see for this plugin and wait a few seconds for it to be installed. Once the picture-in-picture plugin has been installed, you should see it within the Decky Loader menu, and we can tap on it or select it just like before. And this gives us the page that we can configure this plugin. So up here at the top, we can enter the URL for any website that we would like floating in this picture-in-picture mode. We can choose to expand this window if we want, or we can choose where in the screen we want that to be shown. So you can have it in the top left corner, the top middle, or the top right corner. You can have it on the right side, the bottom right, the bottom, or the bottom left, or you could just put it on the left side of the screen. We also have the ability to change the size of this window, and we can add some margin space to the window as well. Sadly, we don't have the ability to tap and drag this window around, but with the drop-down menu here, at least we get to customize it however we'd like. And best of all, if you're in the middle of a game and you would like to move it to a different area, again, we're just going to press on the 3-dot ellipsis button, dive back into the Decky Loader menu, and then change that from the picture-in-picture plugin. I have personally done this on my PC many times so that I can half pay attention to something while grinding out some levels in a game. There are also times when you may want to keep a map up on the screen while navigating through a specific game. Whatever the use case, I can definitely understand the desire to set this up on your Steam Deck, and I appreciate the developer making it so easy to plug in any URL here, while also giving us some simple options to move the position of that window. Although, I am curious to see how the developer expands upon these features in the future. So, let me know if you've had a chance to try out this plugin on your Steam Deck yet, because I'd be curious to hear what you think about it so far. And please, do not forget to like this video while also subscribing to the channel for more Steam Deck content like this.